Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to mix Mario and Sonic. It's gonna be a face shot. It's gonna be a combination of them too. So let's get started, okay? Real easy. Stay to the very end, and you'll know how to do it as well. So I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna start with kind of nose, and I'm gonna pick Mario's Giganto nose, right? That big old square marshmallow style looking nose. That's kind of the way I think about it. It kind of reminds me of like a marshmallow. I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna go to the eye. Gonna have that kind of gravestone shape. And line underneath, kind of. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna curve over here for the iris pupil. Circle right here. Like so. Line over here. Over here on this is far end, line on that end, curve down, curve over here, circle for a highlight, and then we got a dot here. Like, so far it's really quick, right? We got the effect already of the eyes, kind of Mario on the eyes. So far it's very Mario-esque. Line out over here, line out over here. We want to get that Mario mustache, so I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna do a boom, blot, 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 blot right there. And we are gonna fill this in because it's a very big, how do you say, like kind of landmark, you call it, on the face. It's a very noticeable landmark. Gonna go over to this far end, line right there for kind of the side of the face. And over here, line right here to kind of have the open Mario mouth. Curve back up. Line right here for the mouth. And if you really want, you can have like the teeth here. And then we give barely a sliver of like the back of the mouth there. Curve underneath, a line underneath here. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw stuff in general, well, first off, hit the like button if you like the mixture drawings. Absolutely hit that like. It's going to matter a lot in the algorithm. Secondly, if you like this kind of stuff, stick around, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm going to put one of these every single week with different mixtures. And also you can recommend one, and I'll do it. Curve over here down to the chin area, and over here up the side. So now we're going to start like, well, kind of. We're going to start throwing in some of the other aspects here. So right here, curve kind of for that kind of hat area. Go over here. Up over here, the hat area as well. So let's go to the eyebrows. Curve up. Go over here. Curve up. Right there, you got the eyebrows. And then we're going to fill that in. And fill this in. I'm gonna go right here and have the little what do you call the side hair come out for Mario. And we're gonna curve right there, kind of close off the face. All right. Now we're gonna do the Sonic aspect of this, and I'm gonna pull this down a little bit. There you go. And I'm going to kind of go over here and go up, down for the triangle. Curve over here for kind of the side of the head, over here, and then the far end triangle. inner triangle of the ear. And then let's keep pulling over here for back, back, back right here for kind of the triangle in, triangle. The spikes in general to kind of show that like he's wearing some sort of, I don't know, like goofy hat, right? So, whew, sorry, it smells bad in here. Please do me a huge favor and absolutely open the window when you do this sort of thing. The marker kind of smells. So we're going to throw a thicker line around the outside of this character, just around the outside. And what that does is it kind of merges it a little bit more. It kind of gives a little bit more of a sticker vibe. Right? Kind of gives it a little bit more of a sticker vibe. Line over here. Over here, it's kind of thickening it out. Again, it's kind of something I think I actually teach in one of my lessons on Skillshare and Udemy. Is I teach kind of that line technique, right? How do you do like line art? And one of them is kind of creating a slightly thicker line on the outside of something because it kind of contains the shapes and it kind of makes it uniform, and there's something about it that just kind of makes it good. Over here. Right on. And that's kind of it pretty much right there. You kind of have that at that entire kind of Mario look with a kind of Sonic head look. Obviously he's wearing kind of like a Sonic hat. You can always throw like another little line over here for kind of the eye, the crinkling of the eye just a little bit, but it's up to you. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing if you've actually made it to this far. If you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comment section. You are amazing. Nobody finishes videos, period. So good job. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. Don't forget to take a look at the basically our coloring books that this channel puts out. We put them out on Amazon, so go take a look at them. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Coloring is just one of those amazing, relaxing things. It helps your hand-eye coordination. And again, there's a lot of really good ones, so go take a look at that. And I will talk to you in the next video, okay? We'll see you next time, all right?